Robin Radar systems provide you with a complete overview of bird and drone activity on and around your aerodrome. Our bird radars provide you with the actionable information you need to take control of your bird hazard issue. With both tactical and strategic data on offer, you'll be able to mitigate and prevent high-risk bird activity more accurately and with less effort than before. Increase safety while reducing bird strike incidents and expensive claims. Our drone detection systems enable you to take early control of drone hazards as they develop. Coordinate drone incidents with confidence and share clear and accurate threat location information with law enforcement agencies and other stakeholders. Reduce costly disruption and delays while increasing safety and security. Subscription-based pricing options available. Get in touch with us to find out more.